Hello everyone, Mark Callender with the Callender Home Team and RE/MAX Results, and today I want to introduce you to one of my newest listings. It's a condo in Stillwater. The address is 630 Main Street, Unit 200. Well, here we are. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, has all the amenities. It's a beautiful property right in the heart of downtown Stillwater. Within minutes, you can be in the area of marinas, shopping, restaurants, and the location is extraordinary. Anyway, I want to show you a quick tour of the house, and then we're going to head into Stillwater. Thanks.